Okay. Hi guys, if all of you can listen to me, can you just put your thumbs up? Fantastic. I see Tanya, I see Urvi, Meenakshi, Milan. Okay, can I request rest of you to put your video on so that we can see? Hi Ravi, good to see you. Daksh, hi. Vaishali, hi. Siji, Verghese, hi. Naini, okay, hi. I'm sorry if I'm pronouncing any name wrong. Dr. Sushil Mishra, hi. Mr. Heb Kiran, hi. Okay, I welcome all of you for this wonderful laughter yoga session. A very, very warm welcome and good evening to all of you. We are just waiting for 2 minutes for few more people to join in. Are we okay to wait for just 1 or 2 minutes? If yes, just thumbs up. Okay, very good. With a good smile, we are talking about laughter. Come on, guys. With a good smile.
Go ahead.
Nice. Great. So we have quite a few number here. Wow, fantastic. We have Joy Zamana, Kanishka Pandya, Jyoti Ji, Ranjan, Sampa Das. Wow, great, fantastic, great numbers. And I really appreciate all of you come before time. I think you guys either logged in dot at 6:30 there. Fantastic. So the entire program is hosted by Pranavesh. He is controlling the entire Zoom and helping all of us. So we are waiting for few more people and then we start. Jyoti, good to see you. Thank you for putting your camera on.
We have almost 30-35 members until now, and we are still receiving a waiting room of almost 6 members.
Okay.
So
that's a great number to start with. Great laughter family, I must say.
Hey, hi.
Hi. Okay, bear with me when I keep on doing this, just trying to stare at the screen with so many pieces. If I miss out. Neha, hi. Good to see you. I have somebody called Moto E5. I don't know who that is. That's a nice name, Moto E5. Wow, I have Vinod Nayak here. I have an iPhone. Yeah, please tell me.
Can I play the music?
Yes, please do so. Let's build up some nice music. So Pranavesh has some nice music for all of us to start with. Please go ahead. Oh, we have that's okay. We have a special guest as well.
We have an amazing music going on here.
Okay, great. Wow. We have a beautiful pet as well here. Nice. Can you put the music on? And get us back on the screen.
Follow the music.
Fantastic. Now, get on the main screen. Get on the main screen so that we can see all of us. You can remove this.
Can I unmute all?
Mute all of them and remove the share screen because I can't see people there. I can't see the main screen.
Just a minute. Okay. Yeah, we are now mute and I'm just unmuting you. Okay, go ahead.
Okay, fine. I welcome all of you for a wonderful, wonderful laughter session. And now we are going to laugh. Now you might be wondering how we are going to laugh, but let me quickly give you a brief introduction to laughter yoga. Can everybody hear me nicely? Sound and clear? Thumbs up?
Yes, yes.
Okay. Quite a few people have gone out of the videos. Please come back. Great. Good to see you. I love to see you guys. Very good. Great. So I'm quickly introducing you to laughter yoga. Laughter yoga is a unique concept where anybody can laugh without any reason. We don't rely on jokes. We don't rely on comedy. I see a few question marks that these days we have forgot even comedy cannot make us laugh. Then how are we going to laugh without jokes and comedy? We are going to do that now for the next 15 minutes. Now, why is it called as laughter yoga? Please understand there is one simple thing that we are going to do, which is deep breathing like we do in pranayama. That's the only reason why this is called as laughter yoga. And this was introduced by a medical doctor. Please understand this was introduced by a medical doctor, Dr. Madan Kataria in India in 1995. And as on today, there are thousands of laughter clubs across the world. Now, before we start the session, I have one important thing to share about laughter yoga.
Archana,
that your body cannot
need to be louder.
Okay. Am I audible to all of you now? Am I audible to all of you now? Please thumbs up so that I get very good. Yeah, all of you. Great. Fantastic. So I was sharing this, that there is a scientific fact that your body cannot differentiate between a real or a fake laughter. You still get the same physical, mental, emotional, and psychological benefit. So we fake so many things in life just for today. Can we fake laughter and see how and what happens? And let me tell you, when you fake laughter for few seconds, the laughter becomes real because it is contagious. So are you guys ready to laugh with me?
Yes.
Very good. I think Pranvesh, that was a fantastic time. Mute, unmute, very good. I truly appreciate. So let us all take a challenge. Right now, I'm going to show you my watch, and on a count of 3, we all will laugh. It's absolutely fine if you're being crazy. Don't worry. We are doing something nice. And I want 100% participant from all of you. So for next 30 to 60 seconds, we are going to laugh together. Are you guys ready?
Yes. टी-शर्ट घेऊन त्याच्यावर यासोबत छान दिसत नाही यासोबत. मी व्हिडिओ बंदच करून टाकला माझा.
Okay, we're going to take a nice beautiful breath in. When we breathe out, we say, okay, take a nice beautiful breath in. One more time, take a nice beautiful breath in. You know how you're doing, few of you. Okay? Open your mouth. You're exhaling all the stale air from your lungs. Please understand, we are going to do something nice. So take a nice, beautiful breath in. 1, 2, 3, breathe in. Okay. This time I'm going to ask hold the breath. I'm going to ask to hold the breath for 3 seconds. And then when we put a hand up, we are going to laugh together. Pranmesh, can you mute all of them? Pranmesh,
Yeah.
Can you mute all of them? Okay. Take a nice, beautiful breath in. Hold it. Not me. So we should laugh at mistakes also. Sometimes we make mistakes. It's absolutely fine. We should laugh at mistakes. Can you hear me, all of you?
Yes.
Check your head. Let me see your head. Beautiful. Okay. Now we are going to start the real activity of laughter yoga. This was just the beginning. Okay, all of you can hear me?
Yes.
Fantastic. So the first step in laughter yoga is clapping. So can we all clap nicely with a beautiful smile? Come on, everybody. 1, 2, 3. Here we go. Clapping. We clap palm finger. There are acupuncture. Can you mute?
Yeah.
Can you mute all the participants except me?
Yeah.
Now all of you I can see you guys so that you can hear me loud and clear. Is it fine? All of you can hear me?
Yes.
Fantastic. Let's do it. Very good. Let's do it this way. Okay? We are going to clap palm to palm, finger to finger, because there are acupressure points which helps us to elevate our mood, and there are a lot of benefits. So let's, with a good smile, okay guys, come on, let's do it together. Palm to palm, finger to finger. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Come on, everybody. With a smile. You're almost there. Just 2%, yeah, 5%, 10%, 15%, 20. Very good. Take a nice, beautiful breath in. Come on, open your mouth. Naini, come on, let's do it. Take a nice, beautiful breath in. Dr. Sushil, we are going to open the mouth nicely. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, breathe in. Beautiful. Now, along with clapping, we are going to say ho, ha, ha. And we are going to keep our mouth wide open, because when we say ho, ha, ha, all the stale air from our lungs. Okay, so all of us together, we are going to laugh and say, just say ho, ha, ha. I want to see the mouth open for all of you nicely. Here we go. 1, Urvi, come on, little smile. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Ho, ha, ha. 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 Okay, even now few people are like, yay! Come on, I will have some nice coffee after this. Okay, so nicely we'll say very good, yay together. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. Very good, yay! One more time. Very good, yay! Beautiful, fantastic. Beautiful. Now comes the first exercise. Okay, this is one of my favorite exercise, which is called as tatar laughter. What is it? It is called as tatar laughter. Now I'll tell you a little story behind this. Why did we say tatar laughter? So you actually put your hand like this. So whatever negative thoughts are coming in right now for the current scenario, okay, so much of information, so much of negative information, and so much of stress. So what we do is we'll just do it like this, and we will just laugh out loudly. Just let all the negativity go. Okay, tatar. Ranveer Singh, Ranveer Kapoor, I don't know who is that guy. His laughter. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. Here we go. Come on, everybody. Very good. Yay! Come on, everybody. Very good. Yay! So I'll tell you why this laughter. A little story behind this laughter. So we were doing a laughter yoga session for cancer patients, and one of the cancer survivor came and said that, you know what, I'm cured. But then every time little bit of cough or cold, I get a little scared. Negative thoughts keep coming in. So even we go through those negative thoughts. So next time, whenever you feel anything negative, all you do is just do like this and just let all the negativity go and laugh. Okay, can we do it one more time for all the negative things that are there right now? Yes, nicely. Let's do it together. 1, 2, 3. Come on, everybody. Anandji, I want to see you doing it. Come on. Very good. Yay! Put your hands up together. Very good. Lekhaji, I love you. You have fantastic energy, Lekhaji. And Anandji, fantastic. Very good. Take a nice, beautiful breath in. Ha. Open your mouth and say ha. Beautiful. Okay, this time we are going to hold our breath for 3 seconds. I will tell hold it. And then we will put our hands out and laugh out loudly. Okay? Ready? 1, 2, 3. Breathe in. Hold it. Very good, Vinodji. Come on, let's do it together. One more time. Breathe in. Hold it. Very good. Yay! Come on, put your hands up together. Beautiful. Now that we are in Mumbai, we should say something in Marathi. I'm trying to learn a little bit of Marathi here. So we'll say Khub Chan. I think Marathi they say Khub Chan. Hey. So we'll do that. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Khub Chan. Yay! Come on, everybody. Beautiful. Okay. Now the next exercise. The next exercise is an argument laughter. Now a lot of people in the last 3-4 days, they say after the lockdown, there are a lot of arguments happening at home with spouse, okay, with children. Lot of argument. There's a lot of anger and little bit here and there. So even argument can be fun. So looking at each other, if you don't have anybody, just look at here and there or look at me like we are arguing and laugh out loudly, nicely with an argument laughter. Okay, are you guys ready?
Yes.
Are you guys ready? Beautiful. Okay. Now 1, 2, 3. Here we go. Lekhaji, argument laughter like this. Sushilji, very good. Meenakshi Naina, very good. You seem to be arguing with me nicely. Go on. Very good. Yay! So Pranavesh's wife is not doing argument, but she's doing Bhangra. So she's like this. We can do Bhangra laughter also. People who are not fighting can do Bhangra laughter like this. Okay? Take a nice, beautiful breath in. Give it your 100%, guys. Come on, come on. This is for you. This is for you. Take a nice, beautiful breath in. Ha. See, as a laughter yoga trainer, I keep laughing every single day. So I don't need the laughter, but I'm here for you guys. And I'm here to help you guys to laugh out during this stressful moment. So give your 100%. It's absolutely fine. Nobody is going to see you. Think that nobody is seeing you. Okay? Ready? So here we are going to do ho, ho, ha, ha, ha. One more time. 1, 2, 3. Ho, ho, ha, ha, ha. Together. Ho, ho, ha, ha, ha. 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 Ho, ho, ha, ha. Ho, ho, ha, ha. Ho, ho, ha. Yay! Very good. Very good. Yay! Beautiful. Take a nice, beautiful breath in. Nice, beautiful breath in. Ha. One more time, breathe in. Ha. So this exercise, children love the most this exercise. This is like childlike playfulness. So over years, we become so serious that we have forgotten to laugh. You know, children laugh 300 times in a day. Okay, because they don't have any judgments. They don't bother. So today, just like children, and laughter is all about childlike playfulness. So I want you to make funny faces of yourself. See how cute you guys look, okay? Funny faces, whatever you want to do like this, you want to laugh, you want to put your hands like this. But let's just laugh in every possible way. Can we do that? Bring out the childlike playfulness. Come on, Tanya, and come on, Jungal. I am looking for Dr. Shushila. I'm looking forward some funny laughter here. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. Milan sir, come on. Let's bring it on. Milan sir, come on. Good, fantastic. Shobhan doing. Tanya is doing like this. Very good, very good. Oh, nice, Kiran sir. That is very nice. Nice way. Very good. So take a nice, beautiful breath in. Ha. One more time. Breathe in. Ha. How are you guys feeling? How are you guys feeling? So just a thumbs up if you are feeling good. 50%, only 50% good like this, down like this. So let's see how many of them like this, like this, like this. I'm absolutely fine, whatever you show, but do show it. Okay. Oh, very good. Thank you, Tanya. Thank you, Dr. Sushil. Fantastic. So this is an assurance that you guys are laughing. Okay. So take a nice, beautiful breath in. Ha. Okay, great. So I'm going to teach you one exercise for your shoulders, which is a laughter exercise. You can do shoulder exercise at the same time. You can laugh. Are you guys ready for your shoulder exercise? Come on. Here we go. Ho ho. Say ho ho.
Ho ho.
Aha. Ho ho. Aha. Ho ho. Aha. Ho ho. Aha. Oh ho. Aha. Oh ho. Ah. Come on, nicely, both the shoulders. Neha, I can't see you. Come on, let's do it together. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Ho ho. Aha. Oh ho. Aha. Oh ho. Aha. Very good. Very good. Yeah. Come on, everybody. Nicely. Very good. Very good. Yeah. Take a nice, beautiful breath in. Take a nice, beautiful breath in. Ha. One more time. Breathe in. Ha. So now we are going to do one last exercise, which is called. Let's put our hands up. Let's see what we can do. Put our right hand up, straight up. Okay, nice. Very good. Very good. And then bring it little down. Bring it little down. Any idea what are we going to do? Think, think, think. Okay. Oh, like this, is it? Neha is telling some dance step. No. Nice. So this is called a selfie laughter. This is called a selfie laughter. So imagine this is your mobile phone and look how cute you are looking today. Okay. So take your hands like this, selfie laughter, and bring it the best. Pranvesh, unmute all of them. I want to hear them laughing nicely. Okay.
Yes,
On a count of 3. Here we go. 1, 2, 3.
एक का ही रिपोर्ट शेयर नहीं किया सैटरडे को।
Very good, very good. Hey, hey.
कर देगी क्या वो तबीयत
ते वाकडा गेलं.
Come on, everybody, with your mouth open. Take a
अभी
nice
जो
breath
आपको
in.
चाहिए आपको कौन कौन सा चाहिए डिजिटल के डिजिटल का जो भी हो ना वो नाम मेरे को दे दो मैं उस पे आपको रिमार्क शेयर करूंगा
देवे साथे उपाड़ो चलो Tom, please.
One last,
Pick up, quick, and switch
मेरे
it off.
पास
Don't
जो है 7 तारीख तक का है
Pranesh.
Yes,
Okay.
yes.
One, except me, except we don't mute me. Okay, great. So we are going to do one last exercise. This is called as appreciation laughter. For the last 10 minutes, you guys have been laughing without jokes. We didn't do any comedy. We didn't do any gender biased joke. We didn't speak about politics or any news. We just laughed, right? So let's first appreciate ourselves by doing this and each other. Let's do this and laugh nicely. 1, 2, 3. Here we go. Come on, come on. कितने अच्छे लग रहे हो यार, थोड़ा अच्छी तरह से मुस्कुराओ. 1, 2, 3. शोभन जी, let's go. 1, 2, 3. Okay, this one is specially for the entire L&D Mumbai team for coming up with this beautiful concept, and one man, Mr. Pranavesh, who has put all of this together. So we all are going to look at his screen and we are going to laugh and appreciate him. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Pranavesh, thank you so much. Very good. Yeah. Come on, everybody. Very good. Very good. Yeah. Beautiful. Take a nice, beautiful breath in. Beautiful. Now, I want all of you to relax. Okay. We are going to do a nice guided meditation. Okay. Put your hands on your thighs, facing palm upwards. A beautiful guided meditation, guys. We have done something nice and we need to calm ourselves. Okay. So all of you just sit comfortably and just put your hands on your thighs in the receiving position like this. And take a nice, beautiful breath in and breathe out. On a count of 3, I'm going to ask you to close your eyes. So close your eyes. Now, I said childlike playfulness. So don't open one eye and see what the other person is doing. You can't see because it's on the screen, right? So right now you want to receive something nice in this moment. I would request you guys to close your eyes on a count of 3. Take a nice, beautiful breath in and breathe out. 1, 2, 3. Close your eyes now. Pranavesh, can you please play the music for me? The
Yes.
meditation music. Take another beautiful breath in and breathe out. Calm down your thoughts. Calm down your feelings. If any thoughts are coming in, let them come in and go. Don't hold to it. Take another beautiful breath in and breathe out. Yes. Slowly bring your complete attention on your forehead and relax. 5, 4, 3, 1. Take another beautiful breath in and breathe out. Bring your complete attention on your eyes and relax. Quiet. Bring your complete attention on your cheeks and relax. 5, 3, 1. Bring your complete attention on your chest and relax. 5, 4, 3, 1. Bring your complete attention on your thighs and relax. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now slowly put your hands together the way you pray at your home in the Namaskara position, or whichever way you pray. Just put your hands together. Take a nice beautiful breath in and breathe out. And in this moment, be in absolute gratitude for all the good things that you have in your life. I don't know what is it. The relationships that you are in, the family, your friends, people around you who always support you unconditionally. Can we be thankful? Can we be thankful that we are the chosen one to breathe today? We are alive today. Can we be thankful for that in this moment? Thank your God for the shelter. You have a home to be in. Thank your God for the food that you eat every day, which is there with you so beautifully. Thank your God. And in this moment, pray for the entire world. Pray for people who have lost their loved ones. Pray. Send lots of love to these people who have lost their loved ones. See them having lots of courage and strength to overcome this loss. Pray for people who are struggling for food, who are struggling for shelter, who are struggling for medicines. See that there is miracle happening in all areas of life for all these people. Beautifully. Beautifully. With your one blessing, you never know what transforms for someone else. And send lots of love to each and every person in this group who has been here today. See them protected. See them taking good care of their health. See them taking charge of their life and having little more patience in this current situation. Each one of you, little more patience in the current situation to deal with the situation. Take another beautiful breath in and breathe out. And slowly, when you feel complete, relax your hand, rub your palms, and put it on your eyes. But be gentle. We always have this habit of rushing into things. Just for today, can we be gentle and nice? Beautiful. 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 Thank you, guys. Thank you. Thank you so much. So I'm quickly just going to take 2 to 3 more minutes and wind this up because we are in short of time. So one benefit of laughter yoga, you would have already seen the video. It's an excellent immune booster. When you laugh 15 minutes every day, you don't fall sick. Second important thing is it's an excellent stress buster. When you are laughing, you're not stressing out. You're releasing endorphins, which are feel-good hormone. So when you are happy and joyful, anything that you do is going to give you good result. Okay, but one thing you need to keep in mind: never start laughing exercise immediately after your meal. I mean, you have a good meal and then start laughing with your family and your stomach aches. You call me and say, Archana, pet dukh raha hai, I'm gone. There should be there should be a gap of at least 2 hours before, after your food, after any of your meal, breakfast, lunch, or dinner. And a woman at an early stage of pregnancy should laugh, but a little easy. There are no side effects of laughter yoga, guys. Let me tell you, there are no side effects of laughter yoga. People say, what if I laugh so much? Somebody just asked me in one of the training programs, say, itna hasenge to mar jayenge. So I have only one answer. People are dying because they have forgotten to laugh. Okay, people are dying because they have forgotten to laugh. We have taken life too seriously. It is time to take laughter seriously.
Laughter is the best therapy that everybody says, right? Even doctor says.
Absolutely, you are right. So now, these are the only things. Some early stage of pregnancy, go little easy. Hernia operation, go little easy. Rest, anybody can laugh anytime. All right, but 15 minutes consistency every day will give you the good result. Now, a quick introduction to you people about me. My name is Archana Rao, and I head this company called as Laughter Yoga India. But I have a small journey from corporate. I worked in Wipro, and then I also head an HR executive search firm where I used to cater to corporate niche and leadership hiring for India and international. 5 years back, when something went wrong in my personal and professional life, is when I had a breakdown. And I started thinking, what am I supposed to do? And that's when Laughter Yoga came into my life. The laughter was more for myself, not for people. But fortunately, because of the HR connects, laughter came to corporate and to the world. And I've seen the benefits. So today, I head this company called as Laughter Yoga, through which I conduct various wellness programs for corporates, for individuals. And one mission that I have, where I'm taking this ahead, is for cancer patients, because there is immense amount of study happening that how laughter is helping in healing cancer patients. If you just go to YouTube, you will see that. And in India, people are not aware. So I'm bringing this awareness here in India through Laughter Yoga. Okay. So now coming to few requests that I have. One, with this lockdown, I am on a mission to make at least 5,000 people laugh the way you guys laugh right now. I know with digital, it becomes little challenging with the sound here and there, but I'm sure all of you will agree. You guys at least smiled. You guys at least forgot all the worries and came here and smiled a little bit, meditate a little bit. So I am on this mission of 5,000 people laughing in next 45 days. And I need your support. So the way you're going to support me is very simple. Just click a nice funny picture of yours. Okay. A nice funny picture of yours. And put this, I'm going to put it on the chat, this particular thing on the chat. I want all of you to copy this right now, so that once we wind up, you will not be able to look at the screen. It says, unlocking laughter during lockdown, at Laughter Yoga with Archana Rao, hashtag laughter stories. The reason why we are doing this is I want to reach out to maximum people to do these kind of sessions, and only you guys can help me to do this. So first thing is definitely today, because you guys are already in that mood, please do that immediately. And the second thing, that you can reach out to me on all the social connects, okay, which I'm going to share you now again here. What is this? Okay, okay, I'm going to read the messages soon. But did you guys receive the social connect that I have shared right now, that you can reach out to me?
Archana, what you can do is you can send it to me. I can send it to the groups as well, all the groups and social groups, or whoever is connected to me on the media link.
Okay, while I'm trying to send it here, I'm not able to see if it is going through. So there are 3 things that you need to do. One, there is a social connect me on LinkedIn, on YouTube, on Facebook and Insta. Second, definitely take a picture, guys. A lot of people are spreading a lot of negative news. How about you guys sending your laughter and smiley picture and hashtag where you can motivate people to laugh? Second thing. And third thing, most important, is a feedback form. The reason why this feedback form is important, it will help me to keep a tag. As an HR professional, you guys understand the importance of your targets. The way I've set the targets of touching 5,000 people in the next 45 days is possible only by this thing. So feedback counts are very important. Pranavesh, can you tell me what is the head count today totally? How many participants are there?
40. Total 40.
Fantastic. We have 40 participants. 40 of you, just take 5 minutes. Help me in this journey of spreading laughter to the world, guys. And if you have any feedback, you have my contact details, email ID. Please write to me. You need any support or you want to laugh with me? I'm doing a lot of these free sessions on WhatsApp, on Skype. We are going to laugh together. All right. So I will be reading all the feedback because we have time constraint. I'm going to read all the compliments, feedback or whatever once we are winding this up. I thank you all and please don't forget to laugh. This is the best way to release stress in current scenario. And one last suggestion. If you are being addressed with a lot of negative news, the best way to cut down with that negative news is send blessings to people at that moment. The moment a negative news comes to you and you are worried, the first best thing is close your eyes wherever you are sitting. Nobody will know. Just send blessings. Just send prayers. By that, you will secure yourself by not sulking into these negative emotions or negative news all over the world. Let's do it together, guys. Okay. Thank you so much. I appreciate all of you for coming here and taking time. I love you guys. And please continue laughing. Please continue laughing. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Archana. As a director of L&D Global Mumbai, we thank you for giving your valuable time of 30 minutes. It was a great session. In fact, my wife was also joined. She was all ready and sat here for the session. So thank you all participants. You enjoyed a lot. You laughed a lot today together. We made this entire room filled with joy and happiness today. So thank you all. Tomorrow again we have a session at the same time 6:30 by Milind Kher on emotional intelligence. We will send you the link and the participant ID and meeting ID and the password. Do join in the call tomorrow at 6:30 by Milind Kher. Thank you so much. It was wonderful. Yay!
Bye, guys. Yay! Beautiful. Beautiful. Great energy, guys. Thank you so much. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Thank you. Thank you.